Here's the answer for the day one bell work. Find all real solutions of this equation. This equation is fourth degree, so it could potentially have 4 real solutions. It doesn't specify how to solve this, so we can solve it using algebra, or we could type it in the graphing calculator and see where the x-intercepts are. Let's try algebra. Every single term will divide by x squared, so we can factor out a greatest common factor of x squared. That leaves 2x squared minus 15x plus 18. And that's equal to 0. Now let's see if this trinomial will factor. If it factors, it will have 2 sets of parentheses. 2x times x is the 2x squared. Now we need 2 numbers that multiply to positive 18. I notice that the middle term is negative, so both of the numbers must be negative. There's some choices to make 18, like 6 and 3, 9 and 2. We need the middle to turn out to be negative 15. If we put a 3 here and a 6 here, then the outer product is negative 12x, and the inner product is negative 3x, and those combine to negative 15x. Now we can use the zero product property to get solutions. The first factor is x squared. If x squared is equal to 0, then x must be equal to 0. The second factor is 2x minus 3. If 2x minus 3 was equal to 0, then x would have to equal 3 halves. The third factor is x minus 6. And for that to equal 0, x would have to equal 6. There are 3 different real number solutions. If this did not factor, or if you couldn't figure out how to factor it, then you could type the left side of the equation in to y1 on your calculator. Press graph and observe that the curve will cross the x-axis in 3 spots. Then use the calculate feature to find the zeros of the function.